There it is, Folder by Sparrows. How beautiful is that? And what makes it beautiful? The tension wrench and where it is hidden. So where is it hidden? Look how slick this is. Push down the locking bar and just slide it out of the guts of the folder. Really, it's like that. And it locks into place when the locking bar is up, so it's not going to fall out. So, want a tension wrench? Done, easy. Then you want to select a pick. Again, push down that locking bar, fan them out. You want a hook, you want a rake, you want a diamond, offset, hybrid, all the choices are there. Let's go with a rake. We're going to slide those ones back in. And look at that, it locks into place. You are ready to go. Pick your poison, get your tension wrench ready, and put that folder to work. And rake open a lock, pick a lock, diamond a lock, do whatever you want, but do it with a folder. And that is the Folder by Sparrows.